Novelties from Caleffi, Wentz, Flamco, Nibe. News from Willow, Faro, Daikin and others.
My name is Evgeny Semichuk and you are Global Plumbing Network channel. Subscribe, comment and like this video.
The new version of Flamco product, Flamco Mat MP-G4 Remote. This is a special model. The unit can be controlled remotely using FlamConnect Remote free of charge for 3 years. With FlamConnect Remote you can receive alert notifications, configure the product and diagnose the product and system. Caleffi presented a new ventilation unit with recuperating Air 113. Air 113 units are used for ventilation and air exchange, filtering the incoming air and recuperating the extracted heat. Suitable for both ceiling and wall mounting. It has automatic flow control, automatic free heating and cooling modes. A new product from the field of ventilation is Breezy Heat Recovery Ventilator from Ukrainian company Wentz. This device supplies and extracts air through a single opening in the outer wall. It also has remarkable features and advantages. Effectively removes exhaust air, odors, dust and excessive humidity from the room. The product is adapted to low temperatures thanks to the built-in electro heater. Has a copper heat exchanger with antibacterial properties. Has high productivity for installation in a room with an area of up to 15 square meters. Has an intelligent control system. 2 years warranty.
Heat pumps manufacturer Nibe has expanded its range of water tanks.
There are available 1000, 1.5, 2 and 3000 liters with a DN65 and DN18 connection diameters. Freezy introducing a new solution for marine applications, the Optima Compact VariFlow series valve and Logica digital actuator. TMA has added a new panel for underfloor heating, classic graphite, to their assortment. It is manufactured according with the UNI EN standard. Defro presented a new model of pellet boiler, EvoPel Plus. This boiler is equipped with a pellet tank for 225 liters, which can be installed on the right or left on the boiler. The duration of work for a full load is 5-7 days. Willow Group opens a new production facility in India. In Kasur, in the west of the country, a high-tech production complex was built on an area of 94,000 square meters. It manufactures premium pumping system for water management in India, the Middle East, Africa and Southeast Asia. Daikin has opened 2 new centers in Europe. The first center is Chef Herman in the Netherlands and another interactive air experience in Barcelona, Spain. Daikin's air experience can also be used virtually thanks to the recreation of this place in the metaverse. These centers are aimed at training installers. The Polish group of companies Faro takes over Heating Polska. This way Faro strengthens its position in the market of renewable energy sources.
That's all, see you next month.